What does it mean if my HVAC smells like burning wires? It usually means an electrical part, wire, motor, or connection is overheating and needs immediate attention. Turn off the heating or cooling system at the thermostat, and if you can do so safely, switch off its circuit breaker. A burning wire smell is different from a brief, dusty smell when a furnace starts for the first time in months. It may come from loose wiring, damaged insulation, a failing blower motor, a bad capacitor, or a circuit carrying too much electrical current. These problems can create heat inside the equipment and may start an electrical fire. Do not remove panels or touch wires because some parts can still hold electricity even after the system stops. If you see smoke, sparks, melted plastic, or a burning smell that continues, leave the building and call emergency services. Otherwise, contact a licensed heating and cooling technician and explain exactly when the smell began and whether the system was heating or cooling. One lesser-known clue is that a smell strongest near a vent may still come from the furnace or air handler, because fans can carry odors through the ductwork. A common mistake is running the system again to see whether the smell disappears, so keep it off until it has been inspected. Another mistake is assuming the odor is only dust. Dusty smells usually fade quickly, while an acrid plastic or electrical smell is a warning. Some people reset the breaker repeatedly, but that can worsen overheating, so reset it only if a qualified professional tells you to. Also, do not spray cleaners or air freshener near the equipment, because they can hide the warning and may be flammable. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.